Hey, Jodie Sharp here, and it's National Organising Week. Now, if you recognise this interesting gear that I am wearing today, okay, then this tip is for you. Yes, it's those cycling shorts with the big padded bottoms. If you're a cyclist or you live with a cyclist, you will know how difficult it is to sort of store, to fold, organise your drawers with all this gear in it. But there is a simple way. I'm going to have a quick look at it now. So basically, spread your shorts out, fold the legs in, starting from the bottom, roll them up really, really tightly until you get to the strapping area. At that point, pull that strapping around, okay, and then you're going to use each of those arms to actually hold it all in place. Ta-da! A lovely little package that's really easy to pop in your drawers or into your bag. Okay, thank you. Bye.